Querying rows in your Google Sheets data with G-Connector. When working with Salesforce data in Google Sheets, you may need to enrich sheet data using existing fields. For example, taking a list of contact emails in your sheet and filling in the corresponding Salesforce record IDs. G-Connector lets you query Salesforce per row, using values already present in your sheet as filters and returning additional fields where they're missing. To query rows in your data, select the rows in your sheet that contain missing or incomplete data. In the G-Connector sidebar, click Import Data and then choose Query Rows. In the Query Rows settings panel, you will define whether you want to find exact match records or those that contain the cell value, which columns to use as lookup fields, and which columns to return data into for each matching Salesforce record. For each selected row, G-Connector takes values from the lookup columns that are already filled, queries Salesforce using them as filters, returns values from the matched record into your empty columns. G-Connector also lets you change how Query Rows runs. Currently selected rows only operate on the rows you've highlighted. All rows run for your entire data set. Specific rows pick a custom range. Instant Sync automatically keeps sheet rows in sync with Salesforce over time. Once you configure and run Query Rows, G-Connector will save the settings as a card under the Import Data section and let you rerun the same query later without remapping fields. For additional guidance on leveraging your Salesforce data in Google Sheets, explore our G-Connector tutorials.